to another haul video. So this is my first ever Nykaa haul video on my YouTube channel and I'm super excited about this. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. I have not applied any makeup because my skin is not in a very good condition right now. I am again breaking out so bad. Like, I seriously don't know, guys. I've tried out so many things, nothing seems to work. I really have no idea what else can I do. But the best thing that I can do is not apply any makeup, because the more I apply makeup on my this kind of skin, the more it breaks out. So I'm not going to apply any makeup. This video is going to be the Nykaa Hot Pink Sale haul video. So as we know, the Nykaa Hot Pink Sale was live from 23rd to 27th of July, and Nykaa had some crazy deals going on, all the items in Nykaa. So I got myself a few essential items that I needed. The first item that I have here is from the hair care range, and I got this TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Shampoo. So this has lower sulfate formula and this is actually very good. I actually have used this shampoo before, but then I stopped using it. I don't know why. But again, like, I was having hair fall and everything, so my hair stylist actually told me to change my shampoo as soon as possible. So she recommended me to use this one, and I've used it for a week now and it's actually very nice. So I got the 340 ml size of this shampoo, and the original price of this is 280 rupees, but on sale I got it for I think 245 rupees. So this is the first item. So the next item that I have here is a TRESemmé Keratin Smooth. This also has keratin and argan oil, but this is a small version of this conditioner. It is a 80 ml. I think they have a 180 ml one. So basically I used the L'Oreal conditioner, but I really wanted to try the same shampoo and conditioner, so I got the 80 ml of this one. I actually wanted to see if this actually works out good or not, but actually this conditioner is very good. It makes the hair so smooth and tangle free. So maybe next time I'll be getting the bigger one of this. Next item from my hair care range is another essential, that is the Dabur Anmol Gold Coconut Oil. Dabur one, because this is really good and it's a pure coconut oil. So I just take a little bit of this, and every time I go, every time I wash my hair, I just apply a little bit of this on the roots. Coconut oil actually strengthens your roots, and it actually helps to control hair fall and makes your hair stronger. So I have been applying this for a week now, and this is actually very good. You can mix it up with different stuffs as well. Okay, so the next item that I got is a Gillette razor. I don't have the packaging of this one, I have thrown that away. But this is the Gillette Venus razor, and it has aloe vera extract. It has a blue packaging, so this is actually very good. So let me just tell you that I am not a shaving kind of a person. I basically go for waxing my legs, hands, everything. So but due to lockdown, I am not able to go for waxing, so that's why I ended up buying me a razor for shaving. And I never have shaved my legs or hands before. I always go for wax. But after that I used this, I think shaving is much more easier. I mean, why didn't I do that before? Waxing is pain. I'm not shaved before, so this was like a new experience for me, and I loved the experience. So I got this razor eyeliner. So you guys know that I love the Lakme Insta Liner. This is one of my most favorite liquid eyeliners. It's so black and it has a very good finish. It gives a very good finish. So I got another one again, and at the price of this, I think I know it's like 120 rupees or something. So I got the black one of this, but guys, you have to try the blue and the golden one. They are also absolutely beautiful. So I got the black one, and it is my most favorite. And if you guys have not, it's a classic eyeliner of Lakme. So you haven't ever tried it, just do give it a try. So the next item that I have here is a Lakme nail color remover with vitamin E, which is very good for your nails. Plus, this is like my go-to nail paint remover. I love this one. For nail paint remover, I just take a little bit of this on a cotton pad, and just in one swipe the whole nail paint goes off. It's very good. What I have here is a cream by Lakme. This is the Lakme 95 Natural range, and I got the day cream. So let me just show you the packaging. It has very classy package. I mean, rose gold lid and this plastic bottle which looks so good. Plus the smell of this, oh my god, this is the actual texture of this, very creamy. So the original price of this is $325, but I got it of $275 or something. So this is a great cream. It has SPF 20, it is a day cream, plus it has aloe vera extract. It is from the natural range. I have not used any product from the natural range, and this is the first one. So in my family, me and my mom, we absolutely love Lakme, and we trust Lakme a lot. Like in my house, most of the products are from Lakme. When it comes to skincare, makeup, everything of Lakme is amazing, so trustworthy, and it works really great for me and my mom, both of us. So that's why for creams and all, we like can blindly trust on Lakme. So that's why I got the day cream, and I have used it 2 to 3 times, and it's so good, guys. It's so good. The texture of this is amazing. Last item that I got is this Nykaa white nail paint. This is the one that I'm wearing right now. It's beautiful, guys. It's so good. I love the texture of this. Plus, I actually wanted a white nail paint for so long that I finally got this one. And the shade of this is Marshmallow Dream 83. This is so good, and plus it's very long lasting. I think I've applied it, it's been more than a week I've applied it. It still is intact. I mean, oh my god. So this is really good. Haul of all the items that I actually needed. So it's basically skincare items, but I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook as well as Instagram. I come up with more makeup and skincare routines and everything on my Instagram. I'm very much active on my Instagram. So that was it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.